We'll guide you through how to turn off Find My iPhone when it's grayed out. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and you can go and see here at the moment we've got subtitles and closed captions. Now, while these can be useful if you're strong to go and hear a video, they can also just go and be unnecessary if you can hear it fine. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn them off. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. And we're going to guide you through a couple ways it can be done. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the video player. Now, for the first way, in the top right, you're going to go and see CC. What you can do is go and tap there, and that will go and turn them off. However, if that isn't there or it doesn't go and work, alternatively, what you need to do is go and press the gear or cog icon in the top right like so. Go down and you can go and find the option for captions and go and tap there. And then you want to go and find the option for turn off captions, and you can go and tap that. That should be it. Hopefully now you've gone and successfully gone and turned off subtitles and captions, and you can go and just watch the video.